Hey there, if you have this particular Revlon dryer or any similar type dryer, you might find that you get buildup in the bristles and on the brush pad, and at the base you can see you have buildup, and what that's probably from is products that you use. I know I had a particular heat protectant that was a cream heat protectant, and the few times I've actually used this, I've gotten crazy buildup. It doesn't look as bad as it did at first because I started cleaning with a Q-tip and rubbing alcohol. So let me pause right now to let you know that you should not put any water in. I wouldn't even put water on, but definitely do not put water in your blow dryer or any electrical appliance. Do not do it. Don't do it. I am using rubbing alcohol because it evaporates very quickly, and I'm not putting it inside. I'm not pouring anything inside. I'm using things that are wet with it. So take an old toothbrush and dip it in some rubbing alcohol. It should not be soaking wet. Don't soak it, just lightly, and then go in, and you should hold it. I'm trying to hold everything, but take it and hold it to the side facing the floor or facing your table, and have it turned so that some of the stuff can fall off and not fall into these holes, and just brush in between, and you'll get a good way of removing the skunk. That way you're not putting some of this flaky dry product back into your clean hair that you're blow drying. So that was just my 2 cents. And remove any hair using, you can use a toothbrush, you can use a bobby pin, you can use your hands of course, but these things are smaller and they can get at the base. Or if you have one of these, you can get in there, and it's two-sided. You can get like a cheap elf one or something like that, or I like to use what I have around. So maybe if you have a stiffer old toothbrush or a good fine tooth rat tail comb, something like that. So I hope this was helpful. I will put a picture of what my blow dryer looks like after I'm done with this, and if this works for you, let me know. This way we don't feel like we have to retire our appliances or use them and hate the gunk that we get in our hair from them. And one more warning, no water. I know I'm overemphasizing this, but I do not want to hear anyone get injured because they watch this, because I am telling you right now, I will not be responsible, because I'm warning you 10 times over. Do not put water in this. Don't put water in any appliances. Don't let a child do this either. As an adult and someone who can follow these instructions and be safe, do that, and then let the blow dryer sit, let it air out for a little while, and then you use it. Thank you for watching.